This is the Lone Crater YouTube. We hope this video helps.
You start by getting your sources and tools ready. Sign into Netflix and cue the episode or movie you need. This saves time. Next, open your screen capture software and set recording canvas to 1080p and the correct frame rate. This prevents jitter. Configure audio routing so you capture system audio cleanly and choose a separate microphone input if you need voiceover. Once done, run a quick test clip to confirm video and audio sync before recording the real footage. You now capture the material with precision. Navigate to the scene and use hotkeys to start and stop recording exactly where the action begins and ends. This minimizes trimming. If you need multiple takes, label each clip with the title, timestamp, and take number so you can find them later. Once you record, move files to a project folder and make a quick backup to an external drive or cloud. Make sure to keep original quality files untouched for color grading and editing. You finish by editing and exporting for your edit. In your NLE trim to the beats, apply color correction and normalize audio so clips match your project. Export using H.264 or H.265 with a sensible bitrate and the final aspect ratio. This keeps quality without huge files. If you hit stutter, black frames, or DRM blocks, try changing capture frame rate, disabling hardware acceleration, or use officially licensed clips instead.
Thanks for watching. Consider subscribing if we helped you.